Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start the video. So for the color I use Casting Craft for white, and this is a blue pigment. It's by Resin. Unfortunately they have stopped making it, so you can use any other. And these are transparent pigment violet, and to the violet one I added around 3 drops of this pearl pigment I bought from Amazon. I will link it. So let's start. I'm just preparing setting up my space, and I am using this, my favorite mold by Art for Start, and I will link her shop in my description. This is an amazing mold of high quality. So I have mixed my colors, starting off with the Casting Craft, around 7 drops of Casting Craft in my container here. And the white part is always the more. So I'm just adding it as a first layer in my mold. So this is my purple in which I added the pearl pigment, and this time I will not be adding it in the center. I will be adding on the edges. So for the first time when I made this, I did 2 types of techniques in which I poured in the middle, and on the second one I did on the sides. So this is on the side. I'm not going to pour in the middle, just to see what result I get. And for my third color, first is white, second is this purple with the pearl pigment, and this is the third one, my blue. And I added, for the blue I added around, you can say, 7 to 8 drops of this tint. And for the center, as same, what I do is adding the clear resin into the center. So I did some changes, and instead of pouring a clear resin into the center, I added green interference pigment in my clear resin just to see what different effect I get. So that's why you can see it so different. So it's been done, and I will be using my torch to just remove some bubbles that I have on the surface. So it starts to close up, and before that I need to add something into the center. So again, this is really up to you, whatever you like to add. I am using some gold foils, so I can see how the color is playing together. So by the way, I am using Ultra Cast by Elichem for the resin. It's a low viscosity resin. And after that I will leave it to cure. So this is the next day, and you can see my gold foil has traveled to the other side. Yeah, I think it was unbalanced, but let's see how it turned out. So this is how it turned out, and it's really different. As you know, that the one that I have been making, and this is really different, and the veins and the cells are a big on this, but I am really loving it. Every time I get different effect. So I thought, let's compare the one that I have made already, just to let you see that even I do not get the same effect that when I'm doing it the same way, the same colors, the same resin. This is the first one I made, and then the second one, and this is the third one. They all are unique. I think it must be the colors or something that make this happen, but I am loving all of them. They are amazing. So this is the final look. It's giving me a bit of a flower sort of vibes, you can say. It's really pretty. I love it, and the colors are so soft in this. And that mica that I mentioned that I added in the clear resin, it really made a whole lot of difference. So yeah, that is it for today, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so, because I love you all, and I really love all my new subscribers that are coming, and the one that are always here to support me. I do love each of your comment and love to read them. I will get back to them and reply as soon as possible with all your questions and help. And I really love the suggestions and feedback you'll give me. It really helped me to create more amazing creations. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.